Did you know that fungus not only grow on soil, but it can also grow on human? Pretty weird, right? But the reason behind is human body itself that provide medium for its growth. To counteract on these fungal infections, antifungal drugs were introduced that somehow stop the growth of fungus or may kill it. So let us talk about these drugs that will be helping us for fungal infections. Infectious diseases caused by fungi are called mycoses, and they are often chronic in nature. Mycotic infections may be superficial and involve only the skin, cutaneous mycoses extending into the epidermis, while others may penetrate the skin, causing subcutaneous or systemic infections. The characteristics of fungi are so unique and diverse that they are classified in their own kingdom. Fungal infections are generally resistant to antibiotics, and conversely, bacteria are resistant to antifungal agents. Fungal infections are mostly associated with the use of broad-spectrum antibiotics, corticosteroids, anti-cancer or immunosuppressant drugs, dentures, indwelling catheters and implants, and emergence of AIDS. As a result of breakdown of host defense mechanisms by the above agents, saprophytic fungi easily invade living tissue. Many topical antifungals have been available since the antiseptic era. Now let's learn about the classification of antifungal drugs. It includes antibiotics. It is further divided into 3 classes. Polyenes, which includes amphotericin B, nystatin, hamicin. Next is echinocandin, which include caspofungin, micafungin, anidulafungin. Heterocyclic benzofuran, which include grisofulvin. Other class of antifungal is antimetabolite, which include flucytosine, 5-FC. Next is azoles, which has 2 categories. Imidazoles, which includes clotrimazole, econazole, miconazole, oxaconazole, and ketoconazole. Triazoles, which include fluconazole, itraconazole, voriconazole, posaconazole. Next class is allylamine, which has terbinafine. Lastly, we have other topical agents that include tolnaftate, undecylonic acid, benzoic acid, quinidochlor, cyclopyroxalamine, butanafine, sodium thiosulfate. That's all for now. Let's learn more about these classes in our next sections. Stay tuned.